about the gallantry hero Captain Kangaroo, Mahavir Chakra. Captain Kangaroo Mahavir Chakra, a brave young boy from Nagaland, was born in Narhima village on 15th of July 1974. He did his schooling from St. Xavier School, Zaluki, and graduated from Kohima Science College. He served as a teacher at Government High School, Kohima from 1994 to 1997. He was commissioned into Army Service Corps on 12th of December 1998 and was undergoing his infantry cross attachment with 2nd Rajputana Rifles at Gwalior. He was fondly addressed as Nebu Sahab by the soldiers serving under him. During Operation Vijay, in the attack on area Black Rock in the Dras sector on the night of 28th and 29th June 1999, Captain Nicky Zakua Kangaroo volunteered to undertake a daring commando operation of attacking a well-sighted enemy machine gun position on a cliff face. As the Ghatak team scaled the cliff face, it came under intense mortar and automatic weapon fire, which caused heavy casualties. The officer sustained splinter injuries in his abdomen. Bleeding profusely yet undeterred, he urged his men to carry on. The officer took off his shoes to get a good grip and scaled the rock wall carrying his mortar along with him, which he fired at the rock wall of the enemy position. He charged at the enemy position and personally killed 2 Pakistani soldiers with his rifle and another 2 with his commando knife before succumbing to his injuries. Captain Nicky Zakua Kangaroo thus displayed conspicuous gallantry, indomitable resolve, grit and determination beyond the call of duty, and made the supreme sacrifice in the face of enemy in true tradition of the Indian Army. True to his word, he has given his best for the nation. The act of bravery of this national hero has etched in the chronicles of history. He made the supreme sacrifice while fighting for his motherland during the Kargil War. The great soldier will always remain alive in the hearts of all Indians. I share the loss of his parents and family members and express my gratitude to them for giving the country such a brave son who has made not only Nagaland but the entire country proud.